made it. Let's see. Okay. Bye đi, yes.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Well, looks like I made it. It's been about 20 minutes cycling, and this lovely lady. She speaks a little bit loud, which is very sweet.
Nam xin chào.
Xin chào, no? How do you say thank you?
Thank you. Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn.
Over there.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Wow, look at this huge dragon. It's so beautiful. So how much is the boat if you want to ride a boat?
Yes. 150 for one boat.
150 for one boat.
Yes.
For how long?
The captain on the boat.
Okay.
You rolling the basketball.
Yeah.
About 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Yes.
Okay.
5,000.
Thank you.
And this money for boat. You
Okay.
can, if you like, can pay first for her.
Okay.
Yeah. Pay now or pay later.
Okay, I'll pay it. I'll pay it now.
Yeah.
Sure.
Now or later, it's up to you.
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now later is the same.
You pay first.
Okay, pay first
Yeah,
and
a lot
now.
of people when you finish the boat and he pay later.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Made it. Pretty hot. I'll leave it here. I'll come back later. I don't... Xin chào. Xin chào. Oh, okay. It looks like in Mekong Delta in Saigon. Ah, look, round boat. So I get in here?
1 minute.
Okay. Maybe when I come back.
Yeah, very good for coconut for you to go to boat and use something.
Yeah, when I come back, I'll do it. There he is. Thank you. Oops.
Sit down.
Made it. Made it.
Sit here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay, it has to be in the middle so we can balance it. Oh, it's alright. I got a hat, thank you.
When you hotel.
Mm,
When you hotel. Hotel.
my hotel?
Mm.
I stay in the center near the old town. Yeah.
Coconut. Việt Nam cây dừa.
Cây dừa.
Cây dừa.
In Laos we call mak pao.
Mắc pào.
Mak pao.
Mắc pào. What's your name?
My name's Nat.
Sana.
Nat, N-A-T.
Sana.
Nat.
Nat.
Yeah, just like coconut.
Nat.
Yeah,
Nat.
Nat. And what's your name?
Thai.
Thai. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Nat.
How long have you been doing this boat for?
4 minutes.
How long have you been doing? No, I mean how many years have you been having this business? How many years have you been doing the boat?
Oh,
Yeah, how many years?
10.
10 years. Wow. So this is one of the things that you should consider doing when coming to Hoi An. I mean, if you do it here, then you don't have to do it in Saigon, in Mekong Delta. It looks pretty similar. I mean, I haven't been there yet, but I saw some video. It looks almost the same. So doing here or there, I think it's gonna be the same. Oh, looks like big party going
The
on there.
people is Thailand.
Oh, from
Thailand.
Thailand. Ah. So weird. I expected some quietness, but it turned out to be a kind of party going on here. Okay, he's gonna ask me to try to get in there and he's gonna spin it. I hope I won't get sick.
Cầm bấm qua vậy.
Bye bye, see you. Bye bye. Oh gosh. Jangan mereka asik. Oh. quay cho luôn á.
Thank you.
You bring this one a little bit better.
Lấy tiền không sao chặt để cho một ngâu nghỉ xíu.
Rung luôn ra. Không biết thì quay rồi.
Hello.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ngậm buồn em, ngậm buồn. Hello. Nó đi chứ. Té đấy à?
Oh.
Té. Quay phim.
It's too high. Having banana. The family is so nice. I'm so glad that I jumped the boat with their family. They've been taking care of me since I first got to the shore. Been sick. It's been almost 3 hours now, and it's